Are you dead or asleep? Apparently dead. Rigor mortis has set in. I don't understand how that can be even remotely comfortable. Oh, well, when you're dead, it doesn't matter, I guess. Oh, no, we got movement. Whoa, we're not dead. Can you not do that? Thanks. Wow. That was so much movement that